A part or tool that does a particular job is called a device. A computer has different kinds of devices. Some of these are input devices, processing device, output devices, storage devices. Input devices. Input devices are those devices which we use to give instructions to the computer. There are many input devices like scanner, joystick, light pen, web camera, etc. But the two main input devices are keyboard and mouse. Keyboard. A keyboard is one of the most important input device. It is used to type letters, symbols and numbers on the computer screen. We give instructions to the computer with the help of the keyboard. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. It has 2 or 3 buttons. It is used to select icons on the computer screen. When we move the mouse, the cursor on the computer screen also moves in the direction of the mouse's movement. Processing device. The input we give to the computer is processed by the processing device. It is the actual work done by the CPU for the computer. The CPU is a processing device. It is also called the brain of a computer. Output devices. When the input is processed by the CPU, the computer gives us result based on our input. The devices which shows the result of all the work done on the computer are called output devices. Some of the main output devices are monitor and printer. Monitor. A monitor is one of the most important output devices which shows the result on its screen. It displays text, graphics, video information, etc. on the screen. It just looks like a television. Printer. The monitor only displays the result on its screen. A printer helps us to take a printout on paper. There are many kinds of printers having different functions. Storage devices. The word storage means to store something for future. Storage devices help us to store our work which we have done on the computer for the future use. There are various storage devices out of which some store information inside the computer while some outside the computer. Some of the main storage devices are hard disk and pen drive. Hard disk. A hard disk is a large metal disk that can store information on one or more circular platters. It is fitted inside the CPU. A hard disk can store very large amount of data, i.e. up to 8 terabits. Pen drive. A pen drive is a mass storage device which is attached externally to the computer. It is available in 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes, etc.